today is talk to you a little bit about post-construction cleaning. Now, in a post-construction situation, you're either going to have a building that's either going to be remodeled or a building that's been constructed from the ground up. With that, you're going to have different phases of cleaning that you're going to have to go through in order to get your building retail ready. Now, one of the first phases when we first come in, now you'll have new grout that's laid, you'll have new countertops, you might have some stainless steel products that got a bunch of plastic protected coatings on it, you might have your countertops, might have a little bit of paint overspray, might have some grout in them. So we'll come in and do your rough clean, we can come in and do a midway clean, come do a final clean that gets you about 95, 98% ready, and then come through and do a fluff clean, and then you're ready to shine. We've hit every nook and cranny, we've covered everything, your windows, your window tracks, everything is, your grout looks spotless, everything looks amazing. Your countertops, nothing on them. So let us get you retail ready at your next post-construction project that you have set up.